Learn how to make these beautiful custom dominoes on HeyMaaa. I've received lots of comments asking which products I use, so I am including a detailed tutorial so that hopefully you'll get some ideas.
Okay, so we're going to do a bit of an unboxing. This comes with instructions. It basically tells you all the things that you get with this or you should be using. So they do give you gloves. I have gloves that I usually use, but that's nice that they give you gloves. They give you popsicle sticks. Oh, it does come with some measuring cups as well. That's nice. So this is Poo Duo, hopefully I'm pronouncing that right. And this is done by mixing equal parts. Mixing for 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, so it comes like this. This is the hardener. This is the resin. Crystal clear, self-leveling, 40-minute work time, non-flammable, and no VOCs and low odor. So we'll see about that. It's nicely packaged, so let me get this cleared out. I'm going to save the cups. I'm not going to use them today because I know I'm mixing up a little bit more than that. Saving their gloves. I'll wear these. This is my scale. I'm going to zero it out. Zero it out. Alright, and it's in ounces. And I'm just going to do a 1-to-1 thing here. And I do have a paper towel, just for messes. So here we go. We're going to pour. Let's start with like 4 ounces. It's gonna be a lot. And there we go. And we're gonna put 4 more ounces of this. Look at this, now it's reading not as precise as I'd want. So we'll do 3.9. I like how this flows. It's very loose flowing. It's not thick and hard to flow. 7.8. So that's 3.9 each, right? So I'm gonna mix this up and I will be back once it's mixed. And I like how it's mixed up. It's still very liquidy. It's clear now, so that means it's done. Not too many bubbles in there. Very, very crystal clear. I'm liking this so far. So what I'm gonna do is add some pink to it. And this just came from, just something from Amazon, resin pigments. I'll link it in the, I'll put a link to our store page. It has all the different products that we use in our crafts, and that'll be in the description below. Now I don't know how many drops, I just put 5. Let's just start like that. I do want this to be like a hot pink kind of. I do want it light and transparent. I don't want it to become too opaque. So I like how that's looking. Maybe just a little bit more, just a little bit. All right, so I put, what is that, 7 drops total? 7 drops total. And this is just shy of 8 ounces here. I like that color. I do want them to be like transparent, and I want them to be very light and bright. So here we go. This I got from Walmart. It's Cherry Blossom Pink Extra Fine Glitter. I'll see if I can find that and link it also on our page, our product page. Like I said, all the products that we use for our crafts, I've tried to link there. If I haven't found them, I try to find something that's very similar. Best way to find out what we recommend is either to go there and or look at the videos. I try to give an honest account on the videos. That's nice. Look at that. I hope you can see all that sparkle there. I am going to put some of this in there too, which is just a little bit of holographic glitter. I find that it just kicks it up a little bit. If you're not covered in glitter, you're not crafting. Something else that is linked is a silicone measuring cup that I like to mix the resin in. You can use this to pour directly out of. It's my first time doing this mold, and I'm not sure how far this will go. 8 ounces, okay? So here's the mold for dominoes. This is also from Amazon. The way that I'm going to put this in there is with an eyedropper. You can buy this in bulk from Amazon as well. That's where I got mine. I'm just going to, I did do an experiment to see how well this picked up. It does appear that this is a little bit thicker than the last resin I used. All right, so that would take forever. So what I'm gonna do is I am gonna pour it. I just wanna cover, because I do wanna do another layer unless this is just really, really a lot. I'm not sure how much these take. If I can't, it looks like 8 ounces is probably too much. All right, that's fine. I always have molds sitting around in case I need to do extra. So all the videos I've seen of people using these have said to not overflow it. One thing I always do is I use a thing to make sure my work surface is completely level, because I've had lots of things come out not level. Not because of my work surface, but usually I put it somewhere else to dry, and that leads to catastrophe, of course. This is very satisfying, popping these out. It's like ice, but not. That's what the bones look like. Now I'm gonna put a little bit of acrylic paint in the divots so you can see them better. So I'll get to that right now.
These dominoes can be customized in so many different ways. Hopefully you enjoyed that detailed tutorial on how I do one of my resin projects. If you're inspired by our craft videos, please consider hitting the like button. If our DIYs motivate you to do it yourself, please consider subscribing to HeyMaaa. Until next time, bye!